Welcome to Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Today we're exploring the vibrant streets of Old San Juan. Just a short walk from the cruise port. And to make it even more exciting, it's the San Sebastian Festival today. Let's dive into the energy, culture, and history of this beautiful city, one of our favorite ports. When you come off the cruise ship, it's a very, very short walk. You can get to Walgreens. Your CVS is down a little bit further as soon as you just literally walk off the ship. And keep in mind, San Juan is a territory of the U.S. If you're from the U.S., you can put your phone out of airplane mode and be on cellular service. It's pretty common to see these tents out here. You'll see vendors as soon as you, like I said, you come off the cruise ship, and you'll see Walgreens. Just take a right there at the Walgreens, and you'll see vendors everywhere on the street. My favorite spot to go is Marino's. They got a nice 88-cent beer over there. That's one of my favorite places in San Juan. Yeah, they're selling jewelry, belts, artwork. Where you going? Where you going? We got lunch right here. I don't see my 88-cent beer.
They've upped it for the festival. Now it's 2 for $3, $1.50 each.
$1.50 each. They upped it for the festival. It's usually 88 cents, is it?
Yeah.
All right. They call that capitalism. They are a territory of the U.S. Supply and demand. 2 for $1.50. That's still a good deal. Let's go have some festival time. The streets here in San Juan are literally beautiful with all the different colors of the buildings. Right there's a fort. Real close to the cruise port. So they're rehabbing the fort, as you can see here. I'll tell you, San Juan is I like the port of San Juan. I love coming to San Juan, I really do. The water's beautiful. The streets are great. The people are amazing in Old San Juan. We came up by the fort, and as soon as we got to the fort, we took a left. All the different neighborhoods have bands or DJs. They're really doing it up today. $2 for $6. It's getting higher.
I have one or it's already done.
Come on, guys! Woo! Woo! All right, we are in the supermarket, and this young lady's selling dollar Miller Lights, dollar Coors Lights. And then over here, we've got 12 packs for $8. 12 packs of beer for $8. Check out the supermarket. Holy smokes, it's crazy here. You ready? Peanut butter, baby. Woo! Hey, Diane, you know what?
Round two.
Round two. You know why? Because
That was
Dawn.
your idea.
No, it was Dawn's idea. Dawn's like, hey, $2. That's
Bad influence.
all day, $2. That's the way to go. You got it in Texas. All day, $2. All right, you ready? What's your name? What's your name?
Rosanna.
Rosanna, where's yours?
Right here.
All right, let's go. Rosanna and who?
Oh, you can't
just suck it.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Put your
Rosanna
pin- put
Fred.
your-
I
put
just
your-
put them on. I got them on.
Rosanna
I got
Fred.
'em on. Yeah.
Rosanna Fred.
Hold on,
She got
hold
a,
on,
all right, we got everybody.
We got it. Ready?
Cheers.
Wait, no. Pa arriba.
¡Para arriba! ¡Abajo!
Pa el centro.
¡Para centro!
Pa dentro.
Oh! Whoa. She did it.
Yeah.
She did it.
Now you gotta sit there, Timmy. What's your name?
Michael.
Hi, Michael.
We were here maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, and it was just a couple tables here. Now they're selling swag. I mean, this place has exploded. Good for them, man. Good for them. Let's get in line. I'm getting in line.
Yes, you have two shots here, right? Okay. So I think we're gonna do the sheepdog. And you want the chirachara?
I'd rather go with Fireball.
The straight fireball?
Straight Fireball.
And a fireball.
All right, so we ordered. We got to come over here to get your cookie. Everybody's in line to get their cookie here. The music's good. The music's good. The vibe's good. Oh, there's Andrea. All right, we got our cookie. What's in there, Andrea?
The receipt. That's one shot. That's fireball. That's the second one. That's the sheepdog peanut butter whiskey. Leave us a review. And the best part, our cookie. We got the salted caramel pecan.
Why don't we open that sucker up and see what it looks like? She's very particular.
Look at that.
So what do? Pour the alcohol on there?
Squeeze it in. You inject it in.
You inject it in the cookie. All right.
Yeah, break it.
All right, let's see it. You're gonna put Fireball in there?
I'm putting the sheepdog in there.
Yeah, put the sheepdog in there. She's going to inject it. She's got it. Got it. It's like a syringe.
But is it open already? Here's a great guess, right? Anywhere?
This is a process.
That. Take the ready. Alright.
Look at that cookie. Wow. Can you taste the alcohol?
I taste all goodness. I can taste all the
It's all good. Nice. I'm looking forward to mine. Check this out. Andrea already in half. I'm getting in here. I'm diving in. I'm just going in. I'm not even going to smell it. I'm just going in because I know it smells good. Wow.
Amazing, right?
Wow.
So good. Look at how delicious that looks. All that caramel
That
and
is
the
legit
nuts
delicious.
and the peanut butter, whiskey you can taste.
I think I'm going to order another one. For sure. I got chocolate on my face.
Nope.
We've been there and got pina coladas.
Marcus. Us three and Marcus.
Should we get one real quick while we're here? Andrea, you want the original pina colada where it was created and invented?
Thank you.
We're gonna go catch a sunset. So they have all the news channels here. They got all these new channel vans. So we got ourselves a Puerto Rico sunset coming up in roughly 30 minutes. 30 minutes, the sun will be coming down. Let's check out this. They were in front of us.
Al ritmo del amor nos acompañó andino es una cosa bastante bien chévere.
Tienen que vivir esa experiencia.
Yo pienso con...
So that was our day in Puerto Rico. We're heading back, and it was festival today. You could see the magic that was going on and the people just having so much fun. The only thing I can recommend, if you're ever in Puerto Rico and you know there's a festival, stay overnight, because it is a lot of fun. Fun with a capital F-U-N. We're going back on the ship.